Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna just... Today is December 1st and I'm gonna show you that, but happy birthday! I am full of drama. Never done before, but it's gonna be super used to. And they are so cute. Good morning!
Opportunity, don't ever let it go.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It was an amazing... I woke up and I got ready in like हम लोग अब recreational जा रहे हैं. पता नहीं why I did this, but everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and a very happy new year. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am feeling... Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You can probably hear my clock. Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, yanking on it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, gobble, gossip girl here.
Can you I just came out of the bath and
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So lately I've been wondering a lot about what I've been doing in the last 60 days, and I have a physical proof of every moment I lived. Well, not literally every moment, but every moment, like those moments which you would want to see after 10 years, वैसे moments. And trust me, I have realized a lot of things. मतलब ये नहीं कि self improvement tips, self betterment tips. These are my things that I realized through my videos when I was making or editing this whole thing, where I watched myself say, hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel 15 times or around 20 times or whatever is there in the clip. I realized even in that, I was like, hello everybody, welcome back to me. Hello everybody, welcome back. I mean, I cannot explain that to you, but I am a more confident and a more glamorous person in general right now after 60 days. You need to stick to what you want to do, and you need to stick to your content, because people in general are gonna copy you, and people in general have similar ideas also, or similar personalities also in general, right? So you cannot help but not think about it and just go on doing whatever you want and literally just be your authentic self. And I have understood कि मतलब इतना मज़ा आता है ना ये करने में कि even when I have college exams, I still want to do this. I want to film myself. I want to show you what I have and show whatever content is there with me to the whole world. So in general, I'm really excited to put this particular video out, because you've been seeing me for the last 60 days. And I don't know how it's been for you, but for me, it is a journey. Literally a journey hai. I still don't know how to feel about this, but very excited, very nervous, very numb. And I'm starting this new thing where I will be explaining you what it is, but it is related to the law of attraction, because I believe that spirituality at some point helps you in your self-betterment a lot, right? And I've been preaching this a lot since 2018. So now I think it's time to, bring it practically and put it in real life. But अब मेरे को लगता है ना कि how did I film so much in the last 60 days? It's such a learning process. No internship or no CV or training or course or whatever could teach me this that I've learned by myself. So you can also try this out. Try your hand out at different things. See what works out for you. And yeah, just play around with whatever you have, and don't just suck the life out of you, because dude, this is not what you're alive for, right? Just do what you want, do what you can't. There is one thing that I really want to assure you of, is the product that you see is a final product, and behind it what goes is 100 retakes of everything. Because sometimes I'm like, oh shit, this is not what I wanted to say, or oh shit, I forgot, oh shit, I'm breathing a lot, want water, a lot of things, right? There are a lot of things that goes एक वीडियो में एक कोई भी आ जाता है, द वीडियो गेट्स स्पॉइल्ड एंड आई हैव अ यंगर सिस्टर, ओके, रिमेंबर दैट. मतलब इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू प्रोड्यूस द ओरिजिनल कंटेंट, मतलब रियल थिंग, एंड edit everything out and then show you the final thing जो आधा से ज़्यादा edited होता है. We create इतना 11-12 minutes and then it's like 2-3 minutes का video. It's very tough. Honestly, it is. When I used to see YouTubers and all, I used to think like, wow, that's the life I want to live. That's so damn easy, dude. You just have to put a camera and you just vlog and roam around the whole world and all of that. But it's so tough and it's so enjoyable. So honestly, if you're not that kind of a person who can do this, who is into all of this, you wouldn't want to do it because it's a lot of work. But I love doing this and this is what I want to do each day of my life, and this is what I imagine myself doing. इसीलिए मज़ा आता है यार. I want to congratulate you, Samiksha, because you have made it to the end of 60 days challenge and you did not give up, and I'm really proud of you. I love you even if you're seeing this 2 years or 2 months later or 2 days later. I will still love you because you stuck to your plan, and that's great. So I love you. Thank you so much for staying tuned for this throughout. And if you haven't watched any of the videos, I can still link my playlist here and you can watch it एकदम video 1 से video 60 तक. मज़ा आ गया एकदम आज बात करके. But thank you so much guys for in general showing me love in whatever kind you have been here with me, and I love you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. You've come this far not only to come this far, तो मतलब कोट का पूरा धज्जिया उड़ा दी, लेकिन अब सब्सक्राइब कर ही दो जब फ्री है तो. Thank you so much. I am gonna start a new series which is called the 28-day challenge, and you need to tune in completely for that because you can't do आज करके I'll leave or I'll do later or I'll do after my exam, do after I go there, or don't do that. Just do it right now. Start today, okay? This is challenge for you, not for me. So do it. And happy challenge. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you tune in because it's a really life-changing process. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.